Today on Max Handy Guys, we're making a delicious egg, ham, and cheese sub sandwich with peppers and onions. So let's get started. Okay, to get started making our delicious sub sandwich here, we're going to need 2 eggs. Now these are large eggs. And we're going to add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, some onion powder, and a tiny bit of smoked paprika. And we're going to beat them up. Get all them flavors mixed in there, that's good. Okay, we'll put that aside. Now we're going to set our burner to medium. Let our pan warm up. Add a little bit of oil. Now we're going to add our onions. And our green peppers. These are mildly hot green Poblano peppers. But they're not very hot once you cook them down a little bit. And we're going to add our chopped ham. Now you can use any kind of ham, you can even use Spam. Okay, that's about 3 pieces of chopped ham right there. And we're going to stir that around a little. Okay, now we're going to cover that and let that cook maybe for 2-3 minutes until the green peppers and the onions just start to soften a little. Okay, let's give them a check here. Kind of saute these up a little bit. Okay, they're looking pretty good. We'll let them go just a little longer, maybe another minute or so. Okay, you can see the steam coming out of that universal lid there. It's got the silicone rim. Really works out good. All right, let's give them a check. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Okay, let's lower the heat to medium low. Boy, that looks and smells good. Okay. Now we're going to add our egg mixture in there. Okay. And we'll just stir that in a little bit here. Okay, we just stir that around a little bit just like that. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna cover that and put it aside for a minute. Now we're gonna take our commercial chef griddle and put it right on the burner here. Just like that. Now we're gonna make sure our burner's set to medium. And we're gonna take our roll here, which is a sub roll. Nice. We'll open it up and we'll put it right on there. But first we're going to spritz that with a little bit of oil. Okay. Then we're going to put it right in the middle here and toast him up. Let's do that. Okay, let's see how we did with our roll. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Yep, now all we have to do is put our egg mixture right in there. Of course, you could probably make 2 out of this batch, but we're going to try to make 1. That should be interesting. Because we like them big, don't we? Okay, there you go. We'll have to fix that up a little bit. Alright, let's see if we can get some of this egg over here. Okay. Can't forget that piece of ham there. See if we can spread it out a little more evenly. Nope, there you go. Okay, that looks pretty good. Nice and big. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and take 2 pieces of American cheese and we'll just break them up. Cut them in half there. A little bit like that. A little bit like this. And we'll spritz a little bit of green onions on top. There you go. Now we're adding just a little more salt, a little more pepper, a tiny bit of garlic powder, a little bit more onion, and a tiny bit of our paprika. Smoked paprika is good. Okay, we've been using a lot of that lately, but it's good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cover that and let that melt a little bit, and it should be really nice after that and tasty. Okay, let's let that melt and get nice and warm. Okay, let's see how we did. The cheese is melted pretty good. All right, let's see if we can fold that up. Wow, hot. Well, we lost a little bit of stuff there, but not much. Okay, that looks really good. All right. Okay, let's try to plate that up. All right, boy. Boy, does that look good. You see that? Wow. I bet you that's going to be tasty. Yep, the roll is just lightly toasted. Man, tasty looking. Yep, can't wait to get into that right there. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious ham, egg, cheese sub sandwich with mildly hot peppers and onions. Man, does that look good or what? Yeah, we're just going to have to get into a nice bite here. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Man, is that tasty looking? Yeah, I'm just gonna have to have a little bite. Oh, yeah. You're gonna love this one here. Look at the cheese. Let's see if we can get it where you can see it better. Just like that. Boy, is that tasty. You're gonna love this one right here. Yep. I don't know if that's for lunch or breakfast, but I'm gonna treat it as a lunch. Tasty. Wow. You can taste the egg and the peppers in there. Yep. Man, is that delicious. Okay, guys. Yep, I think I'm gonna just have a nice cup of coffee with this one though. Like a late lunch. Or a late breakfast, whatever you want to call it. That sounds good. Good.